being a Renault engine, it's got this 8mm square socket for the sump plug. Leave that straight out, we'll locate the oil filter. Replace the sump plug washer. It's the closest one I've got, a bit different to the one that was removed. Tighten to 44 Newton meters. Three 10mm bolts, and the oil filter is right up there. So it's got a drain on it that lets it down into this pipe. Why it's so hard to get to, I don't know. Make sure there's some oil on the new seal. And once the mating surfaces are touching, all you need to do is tighten it another 3/4 to a whole turn. So spin it on until it stops. Right, so that's touching, and then we just go another 3/4 of a turnish. And that's as tight as it needs to be. Oil capacity is 7.1 litres. Add about 6.5 litres and then check the level with the dipstick after running the vehicle for a few minutes.